In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Google Workspace account and fix sign-in errors. Let's walk through the process together so you can get into your account smoothly and know what to do if you run into common sign-in issues. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the Google Workspace website. This is your starting point for accessing all Workspace tools. If you're an administrator or you need to manage your organization's settings, this page also provides a direct path to the admin console, which we'll use in a moment. Before you sign in, it's a good idea to make sure your browser isn't hanging on to old data that could cause errors. On the Google Workspace page, open your browser's site settings for this page and clear the data for the site. In most browsers, you can do this by selecting the lock or info icon next to the address bar, choosing site settings, and then clearing data or cookies for this site. This removes outdated cookies and cached information specific to the Workspace domain, which is a common cause of looping sign-in screens, stuck sessions, or messages telling you don't have access even when you do. Keep in mind, clearing site data will sign you out for this site, so you'll sign in again afterward. Once that's cleared, refresh the page to start fresh. Now, on the Google Workspace page, click Admin Console. This takes you to the sign-in experience for administrators. If you're not an admin, your organization's policies might limit what you can do here, but the sign-in flow still applies the same way. You'll see a screen prompting you to choose an account. Click Choose an account and select the correct work account associated with your organization's domain. If you're seeing a personal Gmail account selected by default, switch to your work account so your permissions match what the admin console expects. If multiple accounts are listed, pick the one your organization uses for Google Workspace. Choosing the right account often resolves access errors because the console checks your admin role and domain. After selecting the account, follow the on-screen prompts as usual. If you get redirected back to the account chooser or receive an error, go back to the Workspace page, clear the site data again as we did earlier, refresh and repeat the account selection step, making sure you're choosing the correct work profile. Also, double-check that you reach the admin console from the official Workspace site to avoid mismatched sessions. That's it. By starting at the Google Workspace website, clearing site data for a clean session, clicking Admin Console, and choosing the correct account, you'll resolve most sign-in hiccups and get into your Workspace admin console with confidence.